Torrential slide value equivalent to 175.55 rands a coin. The present cost range, 174.10. 181.87. The earlier day close, 178.71. The change was 3.16, 1.77%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, September 18, cost 183 rands, high 196, low 170. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, September 19, cost 183 rands, high 196, low 170. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, September 20, cost 183 rands, high 196, low 170. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, September 21, cost 176 rands, high 188, low 164. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, September 22, cost 169 rands, high 181, low 157. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, September 25, cost 167 rands, high 179, low 155. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, September 26, cost 164 rands, high 175, low 153. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, September 27, cost 167 rands, high 179, low 155. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, September 28, cost 170 rands, high 182, low 158. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Friday, September 29, cost 171 rands, high 183. Low 159. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, October 2, cost 172 rands, high 184, low 160. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, October 3, cost 173 rands, high 185, low 161. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4, cost 171 rands, high 183, low 159. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, October 5, cost 170 rands, high 182, low 158. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, October 6, cost 162 rands, high 173, low 151. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, October 9, cost 159 rands, high 170. Low 148. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10, cost 163 rands, high 174, low 152. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, October 11, cost 164 rands, high 175, low 153. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, October 12, cost 166 rands, high 178. Low 154. In about a month torrential slide figure on Friday, October 13, cost 166 rands, high 178, low 154. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, October 16, cost 164 rands, high 175, low 153. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, October 17, cost 161 rands, high 172. Low 150. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 129 rands, exorbitant cost 129, while low cost 105. Found the middle value of cost 119. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 113. Change for January 12.4%. Torrential slide gauge for February 2024. To start with cost at 113 rands, exorbitant cost 113, while low cost 94. Found the middle value of cost 105. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 101. Change for February 10.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 101 rands, exorbitant cost 107. While low cost 93. Found the middle value of cost 100. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 100. Change for spring 1.0%. Torrential slide gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 100 rands. Exorbitant cost 108. While low cost 94. Found the middle value of cost 101. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 101, change for April 1.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at 101 rands, excessive cost 101. While low cost 86, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 95. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 92, change for May 8.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 92 rands, excessive cost 114. While low cost 92, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 101. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 107. Change for June 16.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 107 rands, excessive cost 117. While low cost 101, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 109. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 109. Change for July 1.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 109 rands, excessive cost 119. While low cost 103, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 111. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 111. Change for August 1.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 111 rands, excessive cost 135, while low cost 111, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 121. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 126, change for September 13.5%. Torrential slide figure for October 2024, initially cost at 126 rands, excessive cost 128. While low cost 112, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 122. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 120, change for October 4.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024, initially cost at 120 rands, excessive cost 131. While low cost 113, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 122. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 122, change for November 1.7%. Torrential slide figure for December 2024, initially cost at 122 rands, excessive cost 152. While low cost 122, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 135. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 142, change for December 16.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2025, before all else cost at 142 rands, excessive cost 154. While low cost 134, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 144. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 144, change for January 1.4%. Torrential slide figure for February